Most ACCA students fail not because the syllabus is difficult, but because they don't know how to study the syllabus in the right order. If you're preparing for the next ACCA attempt and you have exactly 3 months, I'm going to give you a day by day system that guarantees syllabus completion, proper preparation, proper revision, exam practice, and enough time for mock exams. Follow this 3-month plan and your pass rate becomes above 90%. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down how to study an ACCA subject in 12 weeks. This method works whether you are studying SBR, SBL, FM, FR, audit, doesn't matter which subject you're studying, anything. Let's get straight to the plan. All right. Why most students fail? ACCA is not hard, but the syllabus is long, and most students don't follow a structure. They finish only 60 to 70% of the topics before the exam. They memorize instead of understanding. They don't practice full mock exams, and they study randomly without strategy. You're not going to make those mistakes. A 3-month master plan. Your 3-month master plan is divided into 3 powerful phases. Phase 1, foundation. Phase 2, consolidation. Phase 3, exam preparation. So, the phase 1, your only goal in the first 4 weeks is syllabus completion. Not perfection, not scoring 100 marks, just finish everything once. Daily time 2 to 3 hours, target 3 to 4 topics per week. Your routine for each topic: watch a learning video, read summary notes, make shorts, simple notes, solve 10 to 20 practice questions, don't stay stuck, move ahead. If you complete the entire syllabus in the first 4 weeks, your probability of passing is already above 70%. Now you start becoming exam ready. These 4 weeks will turn you from a learner into a scorer. Daily time 3 to 4 hours, make concepts permanent, reread your notes, rewatch difficult areas, solve the entire exam kit, create a mistake notebook. Your mistake notebook will easily give you 20 to 30 marks in the exam. This is the most important phase, phase 3. Here you stop studying, the start and start preparing like an exam candidate. 3 to 5 hours exam technique. If you attempt 6 to 8 complete mocks, your chance of failing becomes close to 0. The last day, in the last final 7 days, do not study anything new, just revise. Formats, theory, your mistake notebook, past papers, exam report. Sleep well, stay calm, and trust your preparation. What you should not do: avoid these mistakes at any cost. Don't leave topics for the next month or last month. Don't read the full textbook line by line. Don't skip exam kit. Don't skip mock exams. Don't study randomly. You must follow structure. That's the difference between pass and fail. Overall, in summary, to pass ACCA in 3 months, finish syllabus in 4 weeks, strengthen concepts in the next 4 weeks, do full mock exams in the last 4 weeks. This is a proven and simple system, and it works for every single ACCA paper. If you want more ACCA study tips, Excel lessons, or finance career guidance, subscribe to the channel and comment below which ACCA subject you're attempting. I will create a strategy specifically for you.